Let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Describe the locus of centers of all circles which pass through two given fixed points A and B. So basically, we have two fixed points A and B. Let us assume these are the 2 points A and B, and there would be a family of circles which can pass through A and B. Now, what they are asking for is what would be so all the circles which can pass through these 2 points A and B, uh, trace their centers, and what would be the locus of all the centers of this family of circles be called. So let the 2 points be A and B, and let's try to first understand what are the kind of circles that can pass through these. So the first circle, the easiest circle that can pass through these would be something like this, something like a very bad circle. So the first circle that can pass would be about like this. So this would actually be the diameter. Okay, this would have a center at say O. Now there's a second circle. If we try to visualize, there's another circle that can pass. That circle will look say something like this, something like this. This would have center somewhere here. There can be another circle which passes like like this, like this, like this. So in this circle, AB would be a chord. It would have a center somewhere here. So you can try to draw, you can actually try to draw these circles. And what you will understand is that all these circles have their centers in one straight line, have these circles in one straight line. And this straight line would be the perpendicular bisector, of the line joining the 2 points A and B. So this would be a perpendicular bisector. Now this question number 10, is similar to the question number 4 and 5 we had done. Describe the locus of the point which is equidistant from two fixed points A and B, where AB is 10 centimeter. Describe the locus of the vertices of isosceles triangle. I think BC is a fixed base. So in this question also, in question number 10th also, the centers of all these circles would lie on the perpendicular bisector on the line joining A and B. So how will you write the answer? This is how you will write the answer. The locus of the center of all circles which pass through given centers A is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. So again, a very interesting question. And the next question, question number 11th, is even more interesting. Actually, in this series of questions that we are doing, so uh, this is one of my favorite question number 11th. And